Welcome back to our Dream of the Woods. On today's video, we're going to work on getting the ground around the barn house to grade so we can start bringing some gravel in, and then getting the slab that needs to be poured to grade, and then the forms up. And that's in preparations for plumbers to put the groundwork in just in a couple days. So I got a couple busy days, a lot of earth moving and a lot of pounding stakes. So let's get to it. So Erik is starting off by dropping this grade a little bit, a few inches, maybe 3 or 4 inches, and there's a bit of a crown there, getting rid of that crown. And then we'll bring some of that dirt in here, put some fabric down, and then take all of the gravel that's in here and start filling it out in front of the sonotubes. So anyway, pretty exciting. Bringing things to final grade and actually putting some gravel down that's going to stay. Okay, this is Erik's son, Kanyen, and he works for a cabinet shop, and they had this pine burl that someone wanted a coffee table made out of, and so it was the first time I've ever made cookies, but we do 5-inch pieces, so we made the bottom flush, and then attached those boards, and flipped it over, and then clamped it down and ratchet strapped it down to kind of make it secure. And then after that, basically just cut it to 5-inch pieces. It's pretty cool. It was simple, kind of a fun little project. I'm excited to see what the coffee table turns out like. Well, this is what we ended up with. Man, super tight grains. I love this radial stuff here. Soft on this one end. But I don't know how old this tree was, but it is a slow grower. Pretty cool. Maybe we need to throw a little water on there. Definitely gives an idea of what it's gonna look like. Holy cow, look at those streaks going out. Cool.
Kind of looks like a carrot.
Yeah.
Bite into a carrot.
Well, cool. You'll have to take a picture of the finished product.
Yeah, definitely will. Send it over to you.
Yeah, that stuff is cool. Super cool. Yeah, easy. So Eric's been taking material out of here pretty good, at a pretty good clip. And then we put some road fabric down. Trying to pack this gravel in and leave it there. So the goal is to get 6 inches of slab and 2 inches of foam is the grade. So 8 inches below that slab is grade out here. And then we'll get this all smoothed out and to grade, and then we'll put up forms. So going good, a little windy, a little rainy, but not too bad. Nice cool day. Go back to that, right, your foot back there, go back a little bit, about a little more right there. What's that at? It's good? Yeah.
we're calling this good. Looks real nice. And then we started putting gravel out here. So that's kind of exciting too. Gravel that's going to stay. So the next thing we're going to do is square this up, figure out where our forms need to go. And sometimes that can be challenging. All right, next day, basically have everything at grade, within a half an inch anyway. I just got a rainstorm. We have everything, the lines up and it's squared. We got within a 1/4 inch and decided that was great. This is the first board up. Probably need to secure it a little bit more, but it's a good start. And with a true 2x6, it lands right on the pier that we did initially. So that's handy too. So our plan is to put the boards out to this corner. So just the 2 sides. And then once the 2 sides are in, we'll call that good enough for the plumber to come in. He comes tomorrow morning to do all the groundwork. So we took out some of the block here to make way for that board. So anyway, we just probably got maybe 1/4 inch rain and it's clearing off. Let's get to work. All right, we're calling that good. Nice straight line to grade. So that's not ready for concrete by any means, but we think that it's ready for the plumber to work anyway. So we're gonna leave this end open because we'll probably get in there and grade some more and might want to put some sand in there. And so, yeah, we'll call those 2 things ready for plumber. Kind of gives you an idea of how big this structure is. So 42 by 60, and then another 6 feet of roof off this back end, 2 in the front, plus a porch. It's big, so exciting. I'll give you a little glimpse of how the plumbers did here in a couple days. Excited to get that in. Things are moving forward. After that, final grade, foam, vapor barrier, rebar, concrete. So we've done it before, so it's not very intimidating. It's just a matter of doing it. And I'm going to try to order those supplies, get the rebar here this week. Concrete contractor will be here this week to kind of look over the project. So everything's doing good. Right now we're on schedule to pour concrete the week of June 3rd, and it should be no problem hitting that deadline. So I'm a happy guy. Super big thanks to Erik, and just being, I mean, the amount, the little amount I had to rake and shovel after he's done in there with the backhoe is just amazing. And then of course having Karlyn's help, and just having Karlyn here is just outstanding. So I'll take any time I can get with her. So I appreciate everyone watching. I'll catch you at the next video, and you guys have a great day.